Squad, what is my dudes, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be doing a get ready with me for school. This is not the first day of school. Yesterday was first day of school. I was gonna record, but it was really hectic. I was rushing. I had a lot to do, but the time is now 6:43. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's the time. I'm gonna get dressed, then do my makeup, eat, and hopefully be on time today. I don't know. So I'm just gonna be wearing this red shirt today, this black skirt. It would look better when I put it on, and then some shoes, but I'll show you the shoes when the outfit is on. So yeah, I'll come back when I'm dressed and we're about to do my makeup. Okay, I'm back and I'm dressed. Passion or whatever. Okay, so if you want to know what type of face moisturizer, face off, and stuff like that I use, since I didn't show it, I use the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser, and it's good, you know. And then I use the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion, and then I just use my face medicine from the dermatologist. And to brush my teeth, I just use the the Advanced White toothpaste from Ultra or whatever. So yeah, now we're just about to do my hair first before I do my, what is it called, my makeup, because yesterday I had a little coincidence with that, with not doing my hair first. And yeah, so we're just gonna put this in the half up, half down style. Keeps hair on my face, but it's down at the same time, so you know, it's cute, I guess. And there you go. Okay, so I'm gonna put on earrings so that too. Don't think I forgot, cause I didn't. Okay, I'm gonna do a back to school haul too. So yeah, feeling it after that. Anyway, so now I'm about to do my makeup. Grab my box thing. The time. Let me see the time. Yesterday I was rushing so bad. It's 6:42. I don't know if you saw it or not. If you didn't, sorry. I'm just gonna prime my face. If any comes out, oh, there you go. This is it. Prime my face. I'm not necessarily going to like say the products. If you want an everyday makeup routine for school, then I'll do it and tell you all the products and stuff that I use. So I'm about to go in with some foundation. Honestly, don't know if I really want to do that right now, but it's fine. I'm just gonna take a little bit, and you know, I'm just gonna go and say this is the Neutrogena Healthy Skin, and I'm in the shade Chestnut 150. Because your girl get oily like on a daily, like it's really bad. Like I'll be like, for what? dresses. I'll insert some pictures of the fit later. Because you don't want to stink from Bath and Body Works. It's called Twilight Woods. It smells really good. Go copy yourself some. And now we need to go make my lunch, or not make my lunch. All I do is put my lunch in my bag and go. So that's what I'm going to do. Lego. I think I'm gonna transfer over to my phone because this is dying, and that's not good. So all I'm taking is this wrap right here, and I have a lemonade somewhere. This water for practice, and not a lemonade but a tea, and this green tea, and then I'll be ready to go out the house. Oh, but I do need to take a fruit. Mama says I need to eat a banana every day since I have practice and stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just about to chill until it's time to go, and I'll get back to y'all when I'm in the car about to go to school. Hey guys, it's a couple of days later. Today is Saturday. I totally forgot to film when I got in the car, and then that day when I got home, it was really hectic. I had practice that day and stuff like that. But that day, I had a really good day at school. You know, I'm getting used to the new school life, you know, at an academy. It's really good. You know, I have like 2 friends, which is good enough for me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up because I would really appreciate it. Make sure you smash that bell so you get notified every single time I post a video. Make sure you subscribe because the Thriller Gang is the latest gangs out of all gangs. And make sure you comment down below any more videos you would like for me to do. And remember, when you walk into the room, you put the cherry on top. Bye. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.